Dust may cover the exterior, but it cannot erase the soul of a legend. Before you is a Toyota Crown, a symbol of 90s luxury, now lying in silence, awaiting a rebirth. To reach the heart, we must peel back the layers of time. Everything is disassembled, from the legendary engine to every meter of fabric in the cabin. We bring this time machine back to its most primal state, a pure steel frame. Purifying the metal souls. Under the action of specialized chemicals and meticulous sandblasting, stubborn rust gives way to original brilliance. This is the foundation of perfection. This is where the real magic begins. Every piston ring and piston is installed with absolute precision. The engine isn't just repaired, it's being restructured. Camshafts, cylinder heads, every detail fits together like a proud mechanical symphony. The moment of union, the powerful heart is ready to be returned to the chest. Suspension, steering, everything must ensure the absolute smoothness inherent to the legendary Royal Saloon. The body is the king's robe. Patience is tested through every manual sanding stroke. Dents are filled by skillful hands. When the primer appears, it is a confirmation of a flawless appearance. Deep black, the color of power and silence. In the sealed spray booth, layers of color are applied, as glossy as a mirror. Do you see? The king has officially awakened from a long slumber. true crown must be a fortress of silence. We reinforce every soundproofing layer, ensuring the noisy world outside is blocked at the door. The electrical system, the veins of this beast, is also meticulously rearranged, returning every feature to its perfect state. Luxury is not in glamour, but in the sense of touch. Precious wood trims are polished, and premium leather seats have shed the dust of time to embrace the driver. Every small detail in the cabin exudes an aura of royalty. The final steps to complete a masterpiece. The king's eyes shine again with new headlights. And here, the most important symbol, the crown is solemnly mounted on the polished chrome grille. At this moment, every effort becomes worthwhile. Looking back at this journey, we haven't just restored a car, we are retelling a piece of history. From a pile of dusty scrap metal, the King of the 90s has officially returned to its former glory, ready to once again conquer the long roads.